So, we are back with the high energy and intense. Why this oil is going up? It is gone almost 82 level. This $82 level. In the past history, oil is not done this much rally because of the Iran war. The oil is going very, 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 very highly and intensely upside. So, what we can get a benefit from this is the main point. Because if something is happening in this world and you are not getting a benefit from that, it is a shame on your living. Laptop is lagging a little bit because of the videos are rendering in the back side of the OBS studio in the Filmora. So it will happen. It will lag a little bit. So what I'm doing now, last time I do the oil analysis. Now we are doing the gold analysis on the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see here, it's only 5 minutes. I think it will lag because the laptop is getting little bit old. Almost 4 years have done by using this laptop, and now we have to change this not change this laptop. We will continue to use this laptop also, but we have to get a new laptop also. So that's required also money, also money. So we are we are doing backend analysis based on the back events which happen in the market, the in the future that can happen. So we will analyze the gold on the 4 hour time frame. Let's go. Like here as you can see, little bit type of head and shoulder. You seems like a head and shoulder, but the pattern has broken very very well. And in the gold there is a mainly thing. See, gold is on the uptrend, so why we can't get a benefit from that also? At least it can go 4,000 level as I assume, but we if the our risk get a 1 raised to 3, risk and reward get a 1 raised to 3, so we are happy with that also. So we are waiting how much gold and how will gold will. Okay, we get a TP, first TP, because most of the time in the gold there is the only one thing I see, that if you are going for a 1 raised to 3 in the gold and the gold has started a uptrend, your chances to getting your TP is very high, because whenever I go for the TP to go for the trade in the gold and there is a trend is going on, it can be a downtrend or it can be a uptrend. But if you are going for a 1 raised to 3 in the 4 hour time frame, not a 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, most of the time gold will not react very well. US oil will react very well in the 15-minute time frame. But you have to also check, there also you have to check the trend, where is it, what is the trend and what will happen on the 4 hour time, what will happening on the 4 hour time frame, or what will happen in the future on the 4 hour time frame. And then you have to go for a 15-minute time frame, because the higher chances to get a SL in the US oil because of a 4 hour time frame. You didn't see the 4 hour time frame. And gold also follows, like, gold mostly follows the strategy is called a double top. There is no head and shoulder work most of the time. There is nothing. It cannot make a head and shoulder also. It make a left shoulder, head, and gone down. That's the reality of the gold. So as per now, we have to focus on this. So continue to focus on this. Let's see what will happen. So what is this? So again, it breaks this level. So it breaks the resistance of this. So what we will do, we are entering in this trade even here. If I have to enter, I will enter here to get the target of a 4000 level. 4000 level. Okay. It is a one. It does not make a sense. So we are getting a little bit SL upside. So getting SL little bit up. It makes still not make a sense to enter this trade. So we are getting a 4000. Whenever it goes on the some level like 3000 level, 4000 level, that will go above that level a little bit, and then gold or any asset will dump. So we are going for the 4022. Here we created 2.66 means almost 1 raised to 2.5. So as you can see here, what will happen? I don't know. Yes, we have gotten a TP. So wait and watch what will happen next. So we are waiting, and he breaks 4100 level also. So it means gold is now 4200 level also. Gold is gone from his out of the mind and going ourselves. So as you can expect here is a one downfall. Okay, I found out the double top, and I am very interested in this type of shit. Whenever the market is make this shit, I like this shit. Enter in this trade, we can almost get a 1 raised to 3 point. Very good. One candle, 1 raised to 3. What? Why I enter this? There is a reason behind that. Most and important reason is that you have to see the gold is making a double top or not. If it is making double top, you just go blindly and you will make the money from the gold. If it is making the double top and waiting for on the 4 hour time frame, not the 15 minutes. 15 minutes can work or not. I didn't analyze that, but 4 hour time frame it's go in a gold and you see the double top. You will be and you take a trade. Chances of winning is very high. So see, let's see what we can do and how it is moved, so we can make a money like foo. Okay. Now here is one type of support, and why it came down because it had to stop on the 4000 level, but it gone far beyond that, and whenever it gone far beyond that, it came back on that level for a retesting most of the time, and it has came back as you can see here. So just wait and watch what you can do. Another thing, just wait and watch to break this level. Almost laptop is little bit lagging. We are break this level. Okay, it breaks that level. Okay, it breaks another level, but I did not have any type of confirmation about that. Okay, now I have a little bit confirmation that it will go up. So we are getting a one trade in it, but I did not have little most of confirmation about this. But see what will perform. I think we get a SL from this trade because it is in the air. There is no type of a thing and get a SL. What I said. So wait for the another thing that is it making a head and shoulder, and it is making the it has make the head and shoulder. So as you can see here, what is happening, gold makes a W pattern, and then it has been gone from the downside to upside, downside to upside, downside to upside. So we are waiting for to get a good trade opportunity because it is clearly on the uptrend. As you can see here, there is a no type of a thing in your mind you should get a down trade, because if you are getting a down trade on this chart on this gold time gold, you will get very very far. Okay, we get a engulfing candle. Okay, now I am interested, and I am sure that this is getting a TP like trade because it breaks the 33375. Now I'm expecting it goes to the 3500 also. Let's see what he can do, or what he can, or what he will can do. So 3 years. Oh, this hurts more than anything. Okay, how much TP and how much? See, the entry is wrong, but the TP is right. So how much SL we get? Here, as you can see, we get a three TPs, two SLs, and that SL is not a good SL. I get, I know that it will go up, and I said that it will go up, but we enter in the wrong time, so that is also matters. If it is trying to continue that, I am again interested to buy this gold, but it is not trying to continue to do that. So we are waiting. Now gold prices in India is like 1,72,000 rupees in Indian rupees. So it is now getting a very expensive day by day. As you can see here. Okay, it broken that level also, but wait for another one confirmation. And now we are entering on this 4,600 level to 4,800 because it is clearly shown that this is the rally of the gold alpha uptrend. So what is the problem with me, gold? What is the problem with me? We get a almost second SL, but here as you can see, I found a little bit type of a head and shoulder, and it is gone directly. So entry timing is wrong, but entry is not wrong. That is, you can see here. See, it gone to 4,800, but entry timing is wrong. And what we are doing now? So wait. It gone to the 5,000 level. So now we don't have to do anything. We have to just wait. And what is he doing? 5,200 level. Oh, 5,500 level. And again, this is this. What? Now the market gets unpredictable. And after this type of shit happens in the market, we just have to be calm in the market and don't do anything because doing anything costs more than not doing anything. So here, as you can see, one type of a double top I see here. So I am very interested to gauge the down. Okay, I'm very interested on this trade. Why? Because of the pattern which I look most of the time in the gold is happen. Now, if we get a SL first and then get a TP, then it's not my mistake. But if we get a TP, it's good, and it will get a TP. It will get a TP, brother. It will get a TP, brother. You are just breaking my hopes, and it breaks my hopes. This is the fourth SL. Two times entry is wrong, but there are a TP, and this time even the entry is the right, but the SL is there. This time we get a fuck without any reason. So three SLs and three TPs. You can see. So what we get? Nothing. What we lose? Nothing. That's the reality of the gold right now. And I think this is the yesterday's market. So we have ended. As you can see here, what I am seeing here, there is a left shoulder, there is a right shoulder, and there is a head in the gold. So it can go down. So this was the analysis of the day. I am analyzing the single pair all of the time. So So 15 minutes has gone, and we are stop recording this. We are analyze the goal very well. So what what will happen in the next? As per my point of view, what will happen next? As per my point of view, the market will go from here. Wow, Wi-Fi is there, but why it is happening, I don't know. My point of view, the market will go up. So we will see in the next round. Now we are pausing this recording, closing this recording.